I'm David Tucker for A Cloud Guru, and this is Azure This Week. Wait, before you even say it, I know, you've missed us. We're back after the company-wide holiday, and it's a good thing, because we have exciting new Azure news to get to. We'll be talking through announcements, including the general availability of VM applications, an even easier way to get started with IoT Central with the new guided tour experience, and 2 new capabilities in AKS, including auto-blocking the deployment of vulnerable images, as well as the new AKS node pool user start-stop capability. There might also be some IPv6 news I'll toss in somewhere along the way as well. Let's get to the news. Oh, and if you want to always know about all of the amazing Azure news throughout the entire year, hit that subscribe button. First up, we have some exciting news for those of you that have been watching VM Applications. This service has now transitioned to being generally available. Now, if you're new to VM Applications, this service enables you to store your VM-based applications in the Azure Compute Gallery. It provides management of those packages, including versioning, handling security, and securing those packages. Nope, I didn't say it right, so I'm gonna have to go back and redo this section. Now, it provides management of those packages, including versioning. It handles securing those packages by only giving access to who you specify, and ultimately letting you leverage virtual machine scale sets for deployments. Now, since this service is generally available, you can integrate it into your production workloads today. Follow the link in the description for more information on how you can create and upload your applications, as well as information on how to leverage them in a deployment. Next up, getting started with an IoT project has its complexities. It's not as easy as setting up a web application or a REST API. Now, since you have to deal with connecting devices and configuring communication and handling real-time data, it can potentially limit the number of developers that are willing to, no, stop looking at the microphone. It can potentially limit the number of developers that are willing to dive in and give it a try. Microsoft is now providing a generally available resource with the guided tour experience to streamline the process of getting started with Azure IoT Central. Now, how do they overcome the hurdles I mentioned earlier? Well, they let you use your phone as a device to explore the capabilities of the service. That's right, you can actually start an IoT project without buying 20 Raspberry Pi devices or even having to worry about the OS that your connected device will run on. wait, is that true? Because that's how I start all of my IoT projects. What's even better here is that Microsoft is letting you try this out for free. According to Microsoft, an app, a cell phone, and 5 minutes are all you need to start for free. So check it out today. Is 2022 the year of picking up cloud computing knowledge? Then check out ACG's free plan. You get access to free courses and quizzes, plus learning paths and original series content. There's even free course content. Right now, you can try Intro to Serverless on Azure, or perhaps you'd prefer Azure Active Directory Deep Dive. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. You can just jump straight in and start. I'll leave the links in the description. Next up, we have a pair of AKS announcements for all of you in the Kubernetes crowd. First up, AKS is now providing a way for you to prevent your organization from deploying an image that has known vulnerabilities. Now, I should mention though, before I get too far, that this capability is only available as a public preview, so I'd keep it away from your production workloads for just a bit. Now, next up, you now have the ability to start and stop an AKS node pool. And no, I don't mean scale it down to 0. You can truly just stop the pool, but keep all of the other configuration in place. This AKS announcement is indeed generally available, so you can feel free to go all in on this one. Finally, Microsoft has announced that, and I quote, effective July 31st, 2022, all public IPv6 addresses and public IPv6 prefixes will be free. Free, you say? Yes, free as in subpar t-shirts at a tech conference vendor booth free. Now, I think we can all agree that free is a great way to end this episode. Don't forget that the cloud never slows down, so you can come back next week for even more Azure announcements here on Azure This Week. Be sure to let us know if you have any comments below, and if you've enjoyed this, hit the like and share it with others. Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.